Hello friends, I hope that all of you are doing really great on this lovely weekend. Today, I'll be introducing the Swing Investing Masterclass based on the Working Agents strategy. This program is about a regular, routine-based weekly buys and sells. And it is highly intended for busy people who wants to invest their money. The best part is you no longer need precise entries, or try to find the perfect bottoms to invest, or wait in cash forever to make some decisions. If you remember this YouTube video called Next Rally, which I published around 1 month ago at the end of 2024, you can go and watch it now. In that video, I stated that I started to build my positions on the Solana coin. I was actually making small and organized entries, which I personally called working agents. So investing is all about making small, steady, and slow entries on the assets we love. And a month later, as you can see, we gained around 50%, a nice profit on the Solana. So the question is this: how do I keep making regular weekly entries to every asset that I love without any fear? Why am I able to invest my money without stressing myself? It is all about the system that I called Working Agents Strategy. This masterclass is separated into 3 main parts. In the first part, we will have 4 sections. Here you will learn and understand the core of the Working Agents engine. It is a Google Sheet Excel-based money cycling system. It is a weekly investing style. And it has only one purpose: beat the inflation and increase your buying power. Simple as that. In the part 2, we will have 3 sections. 100% dedicated to fundamental analysis. We will look into what to buy and talk about finding high-quality fundamental assets. These will be our first steps into building our long-term investing portfolio. And in the last part, we will learn the easy technical analysis and how to adjust our entries and enter the markets whenever we want without any precision. We will conclude the program by putting all the sections together. We will simulate everything we have learned step by step. Now, are you really suitable for this program? Is this truly what you want and need? Let's see that. First of all, this is not a trading program. I will need to be really clear on that. It is not a code or bot-based trading system either. It is for busy people who cannot scalp or day trade, looking for longer-term routine-based investments and increasing their buying powers. It is a weekly mechanic system, which takes around mostly 1 hour in total per week. A money cycling engine with a Google Excel sheet. Remember, as investors, what we do here is building a portfolio, balanced and diversified. We will talk about stocks, cryptos, index ETFs, and even gold. Finally, I can easily say that this is a universal system which works in every country, in every currency, and in any asset class that you want to invest in. Before making a decision, please read this carefully and decide if it suits your needs. If you are truly interested in this program, I have to say that this masterclass program is based on over 10 years of experience. I have been working on this program in the last 11 months. Keep refining. Keep reworking, keep readjusting, so everything shall be as simple as possible with daily practicable actions. Again, I kept it as cheap as possible one more time, which is $59. It consists of 59 videos, 59 PDF files, and 1 million Google Sheet for our working agents engine. If you are interested in the program, please ask for an invitation through my regular public email. And if you are already a masterclass student, I will make it even cheaper for you. Once you email me, just use your old email. I'll give you a discounted price. Okay, friends, have a great and lovely weekend. Please stay safe and see you soon.